Eh?
No man can left me and me condemn and left them. You don't know that?
No, me never know. Me never know you condemn and left them.
Yeah, cause and the man never look me after me money.
Oh!
Me no want him. You know that?
Know that.
Seetyah. Seetyah. Seetyah.
Internet sensation Rose sit down in our first interview with DJ Lava. Yo, Rose talk up a bag of things. So people, check out the video and let me know what you think down below in our comment section. And of course, like, share and subscribe.
Lava. I told me a beat.
Oh, they could talk to me.
What you talking about? It's our
Polo
Polo, beat?
Yeah.
Polo?
Oh, yeah.
Rose and Polo.
Who act like me?
Nobody. Damn.
You go see.
Share the light.
No, the share life, people.
So, Rose, where you going with you? Let me talk to Rose a minute there. You take back the phone. You must show the phone. So, Rose, how is the quarantine? How are you on the quarantine? You take care of yourself, though?
Yeah.
Okay. Which part of Jamaica you come from?
Kill him.
CLM?
Yeah.
That's a mobile?
Yeah.
Ah! See
Being
there.
up to the phone here. Being up in the no dear.
No being a plane, no
What
dear.
you talking about? It's
Yeah.
our place.
Jesus. Yes.
Jesus.
You must say no, Rose. You have any kids?
Yeah.
You have any kids?
Yeah. Yes, one boy, one girl.
Two kids, a boy and girl?
One girl and one boy.
Ah, okay. That's good. Me like that. Rose, me not lie, you take on the internet, the social media by storm. Everybody wants to see you. Everybody wants to see you. You understand me? So
Yeah.
everybody wants to see you, and me really appreciate for you say you take your time and come out for Lava and show Lava fans and supporter them. Also your fans and supporters them, say no, you really come out and show the respect. I'm really happy for that. You understand me? Who do you hear?
3 months. What do you? What do you?
No.
Something. I come up.
No, he must say to you. He must say Rose. From me I watch it on the social media, me always hear you talk about 2 man. 2 man, always a war, always a cuss, always love with 2 man. Sandakan, and what the next one name again? Expert. So, which one I made there with right now, Rose?
First.
Expert first.
Yeah.
So who you there with right now? Expert to there with?
Yeah.
So you left Sandakan? Rose, man, you get in a trouble, you know. You left Sandakan?
Yeah, not yet.
Hold on there. You left Sandakan or Sandakan left you? Sandakan left you? Eh?
No man can left me and me condemn and left them. You don't know that?
No, me never know. Me never know you condemn and left them.
Yeah, cause And the man never look me have to make me money.
Boom!
Maybe in a me no want him. You know that?
Know that. As a matter of well, I'm gonna turn on the comment my people and say, Rose, stand up when the people and say good body. Okay, how that about your good body? Stand up and say, stand up and say. Stand up and say, Rose. On the wall the phone. Watch Rose, pop. In the look battery right now.
Put on a super too.
Jesus, peace. Rose, give me a spin. Give me a spin. Give me a turn. Turn up, see Rose.
Give me a spin, Rose.
Give me a spin, the Rose.
Give me a spin, Rose. Give me a spin. Give me a
What you
spin.
mean? Give me a spin. Jesus, peace.
Be yourself.
Rose. Jesus. Rose. Everybody love you in a Rose.
Eh?
So, I get to understand you're very jealous. Are true?
Yes.
Why you have to be jealous like that?
Cause let me tell you why reason I'm jealous over.
Yeah, tell me.
My man, no listen to me.
Yeah.
It's, man, I don't want no girl with my man. Cause any man me find out any girl me know when my man me beat them up. Not compatible balaka. Compatible no girl. Yeah, I'm put my man out here.
No, girl.
It's not me want him. Oh, I tell him me come from me no for no girl. I want them. What do no people? Yes, sir. Last time me have been good feeding them. So, he have to love him man, but he will fight to tell that girl stay in the play with me.
Boom. So, you ever beat a girl for your man yet?
Regular.
Boom.
Man, I lie, shut and laugh, have a buzz.
So, you're not afraid them lock you up?
Afraid to lock them up. So who lock me up?
The girl where you beat?
Me not afraid of nobody when me afraid of. I just a girl now back. Let me tell her that.
What you talking about? It's our place.
Nah, back.
Me not back. Me a fighter.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So one time me hear so one a Sunday can girl me run you don't have to run like thief. I saw me hear one time.
That's our first time, but he can't me again now.
Can't happen again.
Can't man I know me again because they know some bad now.
Jesus.
I run there I could run. Me
So,
not
I
afraid.
ask you a question. Which girl you ever beat yet? Call her name.
What you say?
The girl where you beat up already, call her name.
Susie.
Jesus, please. You're a warrior.
Yeah?
You're a warrior. Rose. Oh, so me hear say I'm expert
Yeah.
engaged to you, what they are true?
Eh?
Him engaged to you?
Yes.
Expert I go marry you?
Yes.
So when are the wedding?
Next year.
Oh, next year?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. That's very good. So Sandra can not feel away. Eh?
Or can no gonna feel nowhere?
Yeah.
Me no mercy can not after me love. And I even want married too. That I'm a man expert.
Expert, are you a man?
Yes.
Are you pregnant for expert?
No really, but I love expert.
Oh, you love expert. Okay. But you're not for cheat on expert, you know?
No, but they
Don't cheat
you
on him.
know. No, me not gonna cheat on him. But you need to tell him to behave himself.
Him a misbehave? Him a cheat on you?
Yes. And you need to call him and tell him to behave himself.
So expert for your cheat on you?
Can he not behave himself? I don't think I do.
Man, are you also bother the man that said the man cheat on you, you know?
No, I never do that yet. Never.
Oh, so may I say, so when expert wants sex, they give him sex though?
Yes.
Okay. So I know why expert are cheat then.
Seetyah Entertainment for the latest in dancehall news and entertainment buzz.